In the figure above, KL is a chord of a circle centered at O with the KL perpendicular to MO. He said that's perpendicular. Okay, so go ahead and mark it. That's a perpendicular. And then what else you can draw? I can draw radius lines from O to L. And he's asking the area of a circle, which means we need to know the radius. And then once you know the radius, simply plug it in for R and then get the area, right? So, that's the radius. And if you draw here, isn't that also another radius? That means, isn't this an isosceles triangle? Do you agree? Where two sides are equal? Do you see two sides are equal? Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if you draw altitude in an isosceles triangle or in an equilateral triangle, if you draw altitude, it will always bisect the base. It will always bisect the base. Keep that in mind. That is true in both equilateral and also isosceles triangle. Is that clear? Okay. So what is he implying? He said KL is how much? 12. That means this would be how much? 6. This would be. Now, he said MO is 6, right? So don't you see another isosceles right triangle where two legs are equal and there is a 90 degrees? That means what is an isosceles right triangle? Ratios. X and isn't it x root 2? Remember that 40 90 triangle. So that means what is the length of this leg? That would be 6 root 2. That means your radius is 6 root 2. So what do? Simply plug it in. 6 root 2 and then you square it. What is square of 6? What is square of 6? 36. What is square of root 2? 2. What is 36 times 2? 72. 72 pi.